Hi, my name is Michael Eriksson. I'm the CIO and founder of Curvanade. Curvanade is a software company that delivers products and software as a services on the Microsoft Windows Azure platform. Today we will talk about Curvanade CMS. That's our free-to-use content management system, 100% built for Microsoft Azure. It also runs on IIS, SQL Server and SQL Server Express. But to use the full potential, it should run on the Windows Azure platform. Curvanade CMS gives the editor an easy-to-use interface for adding new information and update information. For the administrator, an easy interface for adding new user, give the user the right access rights, and to change in the site structure, adding new pages, we use the page template metaphor. For the .NET and web developers, we give them a rich Visual Studio development environment for creating rich and social websites, intranet, extranets, and e-commerce sites. Our vision is to be the #1 content management system for the Windows Azure platform. To do that, we have focused on two things. One, to make an easy-to-use interface for the editors, administrators, and the sysadministrators. And two, to give the developers a rich Visual Studio developing platforms with lots of controls and function to be able to build websites, intranet, extranets, and e-commerce sites. In this demonstration, we will show how the Curvanade CMS will look for the editor. This is a normal website with a start page and 2 subpages, and now we like to change information on the start page. I go on the website, I should click Edit. I log in as an editor. And on the left side, I see the page tree and I see information. In this case, I like to change the start page. So I click the start page. And here you can see page information. You can see what template it's based on, if it's published or not, when it's allowed change. And you can see what kind of sort order I like to have it on my sub pages for this home page. In this case, we like to change information, so we go to Properties, and we change this is the start page to this is the demo start page, and we click Save. We can see in the preview that now it's updated. We can also go back to the web page, and now you see the information is updated. Is this how easy it is for the editor to update information on the website? Now we'll see how the Curvanade CMS will work for the administrator. The administrator likes to add a new user to the editor's group, and he also likes to add a new subpage. He goes into Edit. He logs in as I log in as the administrator. And first we will add a user. So in the top menu I click Admin. I go to Create User, and I will create a new user called Demo Editor, and I give him a password, and we call him Test Demo, and create. And then here you see the built-in group, the administrator group, the editors group, and sysadmins group, and we will add him to the group editors. Now the test demo user will have the editor's right. Now I go back. I would like to add a new subpage. I like to have it under the start page, so I click Start Page. I click Add Page. And in this case, in this site, we only have 2 templates. We have Start Page and Article Page, and I like to make an article page, and I will call it Demo Article Page. And I click Create. After created the page, the create is created, and I can click as it will be published, and I click Save. And I can go into Properties to add some information. I call this our demo page and our demo page ingress. And I say hello world. And I like to make it a little bit bigger, font size. And I like to have it bold. And I like to add a cool picture to so I go main image.
I choose this smiley image, use selected files. And this is the part we have in our article page templates. Then I click Save. I can see in preview how does the page looks like. And I can go back to the site, make an update, and here is our demo article page. And now we'll show how it looks for the sys administrator. I'd like to know how and where are my Curvanade site. I'll log in with Edit. This time I'll log in as a sys administrator. And I go to Admin. Here I have a range of tools. You already said, say create user. If I want to change edit user, I go to edit user. We have groups. We can create your own groups. This is the built-in groups, but you also can create your own groups. And go demo group. And if we have an intranet or extranet site where we have authentication, we can give the rights to different pages to different groups. So the demo group has no access, but now if we have the login page, I can say they have read access. And also we have to be able to add Google Analytics tracker code to the site. We can see what version of Curvanade this site is running on. And most important, cache. Cache is everything. Here you can see how well are my site caching, because if speed is everything and caching is everything for speed. Here you can see all the calls and how many percentage, when do we have to go to databases, SQL Azure or Azure Table. You can see on what servers are my Curvanade site running on. In this case, you can see the site is running on 2 servers, and you can see which server is current, which server are we at the moment. You can have as many as 250 servers front ends and keep track of that in Curvanade CMS system. You can do benchmark. Benchmark is a really interesting thing. Since all the front ends, for example, if you have a small instance or medium instance, it should behave in a certain way. Here you can run a benchmark, see that your servers are performing as they should. If they're not, you can go in and shut them down and make Windows Azure get one new front end up for you. And schedule task is also very, very important. For example, if you want to have the website to send out newsletters, you don't want all of your front ends to send out newsletter. Here you send a schedule task, send out newsletters, and Curvanade CMS takes care of letting one of the servers sending out. If that server goes down, the Curvanade CMS takes care to let someone else is sending that out. For the .NET developers that will use this system, it's very easy to create their own page types, so they can use the full potential, the knowledge of .NET and web development. They don't have to learn things about Microsoft Windows Azure. Curvanade CMS takes care of the scale out and the caching.
Please go to our website www.curvanade.net to download Curvanade CMS. And I think you will understand why we think this will be the #1 content management system for Microsoft Windows Azure. Please don't hesitate to send us feedback so we can improve our product even more. Thanks for watching.